Qatari 07 Hotel, we're ready for departure.
Qatar 07 Hotel, roger, via Alpha 1, runway 05 left clear for takeoff, surface wind 090 degrees 14 knots.
Clear for takeoff, runway 05 left via Alpha 1, Qatari 07 Hotel.
Qatar 722, make a Starlo, continue approach, surface wind 100 degrees 13 knots. Continue approach, Qatar 07 Hotel, contact Scottish, non-standard frequency 133.8, bye-bye.
13380, have a nice day, enjoy the weather.
Pakistan 702, you ready for departure?
Paper.
Pakistan 702, behind the departing EasyJet via Alpha 1, 9 from weight, 05 left behind.
And departing EasyJet via Alpha 1 line up weight number 05 left behind Pakistan 702.
Pakistan 702, runway 05 left, clear for takeoff, surface wind 140 degrees, 9 knots.
Runway 05 left, clear for takeoff, Pakistan 702.
Pakistan 702, contact Scottish 133.8, bye-bye.
133.8, bye-bye, Pakistan 702.
Channel Southern 5244, you ready for departure?
Confirm we are ready, Chair Southern 5244.
Southern 5244 via Alpha 1, 05 left, cleared for takeoff, surface wind 110 degrees 10 knots.
Clear to take off from 05 left, Chair Southern 5244.
Are you happy with the runway, sir? Something upgrade, if you can cross west of the 05 left threshold and then reach the hilltop and then report ready to stand by. Roger, crossing the 05 threshold on the hill.
Hotel Whiskey Kilo Whiskey Manchester Tower, hello, traffic information just departed 05 left to 777, it's on a 2-mile climb out and climbing to 5,000 feet, it'll be turning north shortly.
I'm visual with that traffic, Golf Kilo. So I'll try to go slightly into 80 down over the overhead if possible to avoid wake turbulence, Golf Kilo.
Golf Kilo Whiskey, roger, that's approved. Channel Southern 5244, contact Scottish non-standard frequency 133.8, bye-bye.
133A, bye-bye, Channel Southern 5244.